Judge?
Yes.
After she's done handling her probation paperwork, is there a chance that we could take her through the back this way? Because there may be media out there that she doesn't need to face. And
Oh, that's not media for her, is it?
It's not. I don't know.
That, I think that's for something else.
Was it for something else?
Yeah.
Okay, because we weren't too sure. Her case has been in the media, so.
No, I don't. I'm usually at home reading a book.
Yeah, you know what? I don't. Maybe it serves me. Maybe it doesn't. I don't usually watch a lot of local news, so.
Yeah. Hey, I don't know unless somebody tells me. I'm like, oh,
well, that's fine. It's been.
no, I don't think so. I think they have a trial or something that's going on.
I got it.
Is that for Deputy Laura? That's for.
I just wanted to ensure because I know it has been announced.
Okay, thank you.
No, what? No, I don't.
Court is calling 2025 CR 005594 State versus Elena Marino. Could I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinosa for the state.
Hedrick A. Hicks for the defense.
And are you Elena Marina Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Sanchez, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, I.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Sanchez, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $30,000 to $150,000 as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes.
By entering into this agreement to enter into an open plea to the court, you're giving up those rights. Did you understand?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea, an open plea to the court? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Sanchez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea that you could be deported? Well, not deported. You will be deported, denied naturalization, or re-entry into the United States. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. And it's the court's understanding that there is no plea bargain in this case. You are entering a plea to the offense. The state will provide evidence for the court to review, and the court will decide punishment. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that correct, state?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Is that correct?
Yes, Your
I'm
Honor.
sorry, defense. State, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers states Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. I have to do math on the calculator to make sure the numbers are correct. All right, after reviewing states Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty the court will find you guilty. And do you all wish to set this for a PSI?
We do, Judge.
All right. I need a reset date for a PSI. And for, is there a top evaluation needed?
No top evaluation, needed, Judge.
And we can go off the record. What I can tell you is there going to be any funds?
That's what we were hoping to have made available for our sentencing date, Judge.
Okay. And that will need to be brought in the form of a cashier's check or money order. And is that a money order cashier's check for the separate complainants, or?
Yes, Your Honor, it would be 16 separate complainants that I have the amount of names readily available to the defense counsel.
All right. So if you can make sure that, and so the cashier's check will need to be made out to those complainants individually. All right. What date? All right. We'll be back on December 9th.
And just one quick question for the court, Judge. PSIs, have they been coming in around this time or something? I just want to make sure.
Oh, no, the PSI will be done
Okay.
on that.
Okay.
Yes.
I just want to confirm. I've been hearing various different, anywhere from 4 weeks to 12 weeks. So I just want to.
Oh, no, it is 4 to 12 weeks, but sometimes it's here sooner than that. So Bashan is saying, yes, we will have
See
it.
that look
Yes.
on our face. I just wanted to confirm. Thank you.
Yes.
Judge.
All right. Thank you. Once you sign the reset form and speak with the probation officer, you're excused.
All right.
Thank you. You're welcome.
First, they sell headstones. 6 families told us they paid up front for their loved ones' headstones, but they never got them. And they haven't been able to find the owner of the company, Elena Moreno.
After our first story aired, several more families contacted us about this very issue. Our Courtney Friedman reports police and the Better Business Bureau are now getting involved.
It hurts to go and visit him, and he has no stone.
Veronica Sanchez lost her father September 2022. In February 2023, she ordered him a headstone through the company Angelic Monuments.
Sketching this the way we wanted it.
So this is what it was supposed to look like.
And this is what it's supposed to look like.
But she never got it. Sanchez is one of 6 new families who contacted KSAT about their loved ones' headstones. One person bought the stone for herself as preparation. This after we reported 2 weeks ago about 6 other families who say they paid for their loved ones' headstones and never received them. Through paperwork, KSAT confirmed the new families that came forward spent a combined total of almost $15,000. Adding that to the more than $26,000 the first group of 6 families paid, that grand total is around $40,000. Angelic Monuments was run by Elena Moreno, who these families say has stopped returning calls and emails. Though she had deleted her Facebook page, it looks like it's back up and running. It also looks like she now has a TikTok page that's active. I tried to get a hold of her in every way possible, and we still have not received a response. What we've learned since that first story is that Moreno contacted Sanchez, giving her a new phone number and the address to what she called her new business location on Commercial Avenue.
I called her. She never answered.
We went there too during business hours.
It's locked. Yeah, it should be open.
The business name on the door offers life insurance and funeral services. It's owned by another woman. We blurred the business name because we don't know how closely she works with Moreno, if at all, but we could not get a hold of her either.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hi, Elena. This is Courtney Friedman with KSAT 12 News. Just giving you a call again.
Several families filed claims with the Better Business Bureau, which has now opened an official investigation.
When we first talked to you for our first story, there had not been an official investigation launched. So what changed?
It was prompted by the large volume of responses, complaints, reviews, in response to the story on KSAT as well.
BBB Senior Director of Media Relations Jason Meza says the investigation could take weeks or months.
Everything we find with redacted information we present on our public profile.
Basically a warning to other potential customers, but they will also turn their results over to law enforcement. If that message reaches SAPD, they'll already be familiar with the information. 4 families have already filed police reports against Moreno. SAPD confirms 2 of those are written as felony theft, over $2,500. The other 2 are being deemed civil complaints.
And I'm going to continue to fight until I recover my dad's stone or my money. No families should be going through this.
SAPD has confirmed their property theft detectives are actively investigating these cases. They say they do collect enough evidence, it's possible a warrant could be issued. Elena Moreno, though, right now has no criminal charges against her, and KSAT can find no reports of any criminal record. For KSAT Investigates, I'm Courtney Friedman.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay. Call up Oli, 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 Oli.